Hi dear students, today we are going to discuss the subject science unit 2 force and motion. Let me enter the topic center of gravity. Okay. The center of gravity of an object is the point through which the entire weight of the object is appear at the center. See the picture. Here we have one center point that is known as center of gravity. So the total pull of the earth appears to act through the center of gravity. So the entire weights hold only at the center. So that is known as center of gravity. And center of mass means the object is due to attraction of the earth and all these particles. The center of the mass is the point through which the entire weight of the object appears to act it. Is it clear? So the stability means an object will be stable equilibrium when it returns to its original position after given a small displacement. It means it retains in the original position after a small displacement. So that is known as stability. These are all the examples of the center of gravity for regular shaped objects. Generally, center of gravity of the geometrical shaped objects lie on the geometric center of the object. For example, weight of a chord, weight of a triangle, weight of a disc and weight of a ring. So these are the examples of the regular shaped objects of the center of gravity. Is it clear? Next one, what about the irregular shaped objects of the stability? We have we need some apparatus for that. Okay, that is irregular shaped cord, optical pin, string, pendulum pop and stand and the wooden blocks, bars and clamp and the set square. Is it clear? So see the diagram. Consider this is one irregular shaped cardboard. Okay, we have one pin and plumb line at the any center of the hole. Okay, so procedure: make 2 holes in the lamina. See the picture. Suspend the lamina from the optical pin through the 1 holes as shown in the figure. Okay. Suspend the plumb line from the pin and mark the position of the plumb line on the lamina. And repeat the step 2 and 3 for the other hole. It's same as the point 2 and 3 in the other hole. Is it clear? So draw the lines on the lamina representing the position of the plumb line. Label the intersection of the 2 lines as X, the position of the gravity of the lamina. Perform and repeating the step 2 and 3 with the third hole to confirm the position of the center of gravity of lamina. Is it clear? Next one, stability. Stability is a measure of the body ability to maintain its original position. It have 3 types of stability: stable equilibrium, unstable equilibrium and neutral equilibrium. So stability means it is the ability. Stability is known as ability, that is a capacity to hold the objects. Let me see the first type, stable equilibrium. The frustum can be tilted through a quiet and a big angle without toppling. It is the center of gravity is raised when it is displaced. So see the picture. So the center of gravity rises and the moment of weight, so the pivot point is displaced. So the vertical line through its center of the gravity still falls within its base. So it can return to original position. For example, if you are standing in your both leg, you have to steady. Okay, when you push somebody means you have to slightly going on the other side, but again you have to retain it. Is it clear? And another example, consider a water bottle. The water bottle have full of waters. So if you just push the water bottle means the water bottle slightly move that side, again it come back to the original position on the standing position. Is it clear? So that is known as stable equilibrium, because the base of the pivot point has maximum center of gravity. So that is known as stable equilibrium. Next one, unstable equilibrium. The unstable equilibrium, the frustum will topple with the slightest tilting. Its center of gravity is lowered when it is displaced. So the center of gravity is very low in this moment. So the vertical line through its center of gravity fall outside its base. So it's just outside of the base. Is it clear? For example, if you stand on your one leg, what happened? You cannot stand more time with your one leg because you have less center of gravity. So that is known as unstable equilibrium. For another example, is same as the water bottle. In stable equilibrium, we have the water bottle with full of water. Here we have the empty water bottle. So the empty water bottle is just standing on the table, means you push it. What happen? It will be fall on it. So that is known as unstable equilibrium. Next one, neutral equilibrium. It causes the frustum to topple. The frustum will rolls about but does not topple. Its center of the gravity remains at the same height when it is displaced. The body will stay in any position to which has been displaced. Consider the same water bottle. For example, if you push on the water bottle, means in the floor it have to rolling. So rolling means it have the same equilibrium. That same equilibrium is known as neutral equilibrium. Is it clear? That is known as neutral equilibrium. Then some example for this. This is known as stable equilibrium. This is the example for unstable equilibrium. And the ball and skating board, these are all the examples of neutral equilibrium. Is it clear? So we have some condition for the stability. What are all this? To make a body more stable, lower its center of gravity and increase the area of its base, and this box is at the center of a point tipping over. A heavy base lowers at the center of gravity, so the box does not tip over. A broad base makes the box more difficult to tip over. Okay, so we have a maximum center of gravity, means the base is have heavier. Okay, it have less center of gravity, the pivot point is less. Okay, see the picture. What is this? Have you seen this doll anywhere? Yes, we have to see in Tanjore temple. So this is always called as Tanjore doll. Okay, and this is a traditional toy. It's made up of terracotta materials. The center of gravity and the total weight of the doll is concentrated at the bottom of the point. So that is known as bottom is the center of the gravity. This doll generating a dance like a movement, that dance like movement with the slow oscillations, that is because of the center of gravity. Is it clear? That movement is a continuous movement. So it continuous movement means we have to small like a slow oscillations, or it's look like a dancing. Is it clear? And some real life examples and applications for the stability. The racing cars are built low and broad for the stability. Okay, have you seen on the racing car? It is very wide. That's a broad for the stability. And the Bunsen burners, table lamps, and fans are designed with the large and heavy bases to make them stable. The legs of babies' high chairs are set wide apart so that the chairs is stable. So these are all the some applications for the stability. Is it clear? Okay students, this lesson was over. In this lesson you have to learn about the topics like distance, displacement, velocity, accelerations, and time graph, velocity time graph, and speed time graph, and stability and center of gravity. Okay, is it clear? Thank you.